Okay, I already know what you're thinking. Why the does this laptop have so many straps? Is it about to go bungee jumping? Well, as it turns out, there is a method to the madness. So Asus actually made a gaming laptop that you can actually wear. Not only can you hold it in your hand like it's a briefcase, but you can hang it over your shoulder like it's a cool, funky bag. Hell, you can even sit it on your abdomen like you're carrying your very own laptop, baby. Right now, you're probably wondering, okay, why the hell would I want to do that? The answer is fashion. The man behind this design is Errolson Hughes. Yeah, that's him, who co-founded a cutting-edge streetwear brand called Acronym that gives off clean, minimalist, monochromatic, futuristic vibes that's been seen on the likes of Drake, Travis Scott, and even John friggin' Mayer. Oh, and he's worked with a bunch of big-name brands like Nike. So, naturally, Asus tapped into Errolson's fashion expertise to put his own stank on a gaming laptop, and well, this is the masterpiece he came up with, the Asus ROG Flow Z13 Acronym. Not only is it a force to be reckoned with as a product that is a beautiful collision between futuristic streetwear fashion and gaming tech, but it's powerful on the inside too. It's packed with a 13th gen Intel Core i9-13900H CPU and an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070 GPU, so it should have no problems running your favorite AAA titles. It also has a mux switch and NVIDIA Advanced Optimus, ensuring that the right internals are prioritized whether you're gaming or creating content. It's configured with 32 gigs of DDR5 RAM and 1 terabyte of SSD storage. It's got a 13.4-inch QHD Plus display and a 165Hz refresh rate. One downside is that it does have a 500 nit display, so it's not as bright as I would like it to be. Taking a closer look at the chassis, it's made with pure CNC aluminum alloy, and those black rubber strips that you see on the back there are raised grips, making sure that you have a good sturdy hold on the laptop if you ever plan on using it to serve hors d'oeuvres at a cocktail party. The Flow Z13 Acronym also comes with a built-in kickstand, so you can prop it up in clamshell mode with a detachable keyboard or stand it up in this portrait orientation if you want maximum vertical real estate, or you're just really obnoxious. This laptop also comes with the Asus Pen 2.0 Acronym Edition stylus, but we'll give you more details on that and how it performs with our upcoming review. As far as ports, you'll get an audio jack, a micro SD card reader, a USB 3.2 Type A port, a USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type C port, and a Thunderbolt 4 port. So when can you get your hands on this slick wearable gaming laptop? Asus told us that the limited edition ROG Flow Z13 Acronym will be available starting on April 3rd and will set you back a cool $2,500. But hey, that's the price of having an Errolson Hughes designed product. I mean, have you seen the prices across the Acronym catalog? Enough said. I'm Kimberly Gideon, and this is Laptop Mag.